m'appelle Okoyemi Sani, je suis professeur, j'habite Ikorodu, j'aime manger, I like to eat, j'aime enseigner, I like to teach, j'aime, ok? Alright, so, je suis nigérian aussi, je suis nigérian, I'm a Nigerian, je suis nigérian, et je suis ravi d'être ici, I'm happy to be here, je suis ravi, I'm delighted to be here, je suis ravi d'être ici. All right, so today we're going to be looking at quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? What does that mean? It's talking about the age. How old are you? But why did I say quel âge as-tu and quel âge avez-vous? All right, you know that in French there is polite form, there is familiarity form. Okay, so let's look at those. Okay. So our topic is l'âge, the age, how to say the age, how to ask for someone's age. Shall we start? Okay, good. Let me change this marker. Le marqueur, the marker, le marqueur. All right, good. So there are two questions. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? The S is silent, please. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? The Z is also silent. Please remember, they are silent. Let's start again. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? They both mean how old are you? But this one is familiarity form. Familiar. This one is a formal. Okay? This is familiar, this is formal. In other words, this familiarity, you're cool with the person, you're friends with the person, it's your mate, you work together, but when you go, quel âge avez-vous? You're talking to someone you're not familiar with, a stranger, your boss, or your parents, is a form of respect. Okay? So, quel âge as-tu? Quel âge avez-vous? All right? So let's reply that. These ones are question. Okay, so let's try to reply. Réponse. If you want to answer for yourself, answering this question for yourself, I am this years old, you go, j'ai. And we did numbers. We did numbers up until, we've done numbers to 60 or even 69. Please check the videos about numbers, okay? So that you get familiar with the numbers I want to use now. J'ai 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. 30 is 30. The S is silent. 30 ans. J'ai 30 ans. I'm 30 years old. J'ai 30 ans. I'm 30 years old. Another age. J'ai 12 ans. The S is silent. That's why I'm underlining it. The S is silent. J'ai 12 ans. I'm 12 years old. J'ai 12. 12 is 12. J'ai 12 ans. I'm 12 years old. So because this is class 16, class says, we can use that as an example too. J'ai 16 ans. I'm 16 years old. J'ai 16 ans. The S is silent. I'm 16 years old. Okay? Do you see that? That's how to answer for yourself, whichever age you are. So how old are you? Quel âge avez-vous? You can write in the comment section or write or spell it or pronounce it and send it to my WhatsApp number via audio. You'll see the WhatsApp number on the screen. Okay? So, quel âge avez-vous? Go ahead and answer that question. Now, if you want to answer for another person, maybe, so this one is asking you directly, okay? is asking you another person's age. Maybe you're a parent and you're being asked what's the age of your child, or maybe you're just a student or a co-worker, and another person is asking you for the age of another co-worker or another student. You want to talk about the age of another person, not yourself now. Okay, so this how the question would sound like. Quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-il? How old is he? Masculine. Masculine. How old is he? Quel âge a-t-il? Il. Remember il? If you don't remember il, please check our video on personal pronouns. Personal pronouns, all the personal pronouns, okay? So, quel âge a-t-il? That's for the male, the masculine. So, maybe you're in a school, you want to register your child in a French school, and the principal is asking the age of your child. Quel âge a-t-il? Okay, how would you answer? That's where we're going. But before we do that, let's do about the quel âge a-t-elle? That's feminine. Quel âge a-t-elle? Okay, how old is she? Aha. How old is he? Quel âge a-t-il? How old is she? Quel âge a-t-elle? Are you getting this? So let's bring all these things together. Begin to revise them. Begin to put all these pieces together to make a whole picture. All right. So how do we answer? Réponse. For the masculine, you say il a 13 ans. Il a 13 ans. 13 is what? If you have been following, 13 is 13. Okay, so go check the videos about the numbers again. Don't forget. Il a 13 ans. Say it again. Il a 13 ans. He's 13 years old. Or, if it's a she, elle a 20. Let's assume she's 20. Elle a 20 ans. 20 is 20. Okay? Elle a 20 ans. Elle a 20 ans. Are you getting all this? So these are elements that you can use to answer the question of age. And the last aspect of the age we're going to be looking at is going to be some expressions. I'm going to say for two people, the old and the young, all right? The old and the young. Voici Paul. Il a 60 ans. Il est vieux. Voici Chantal. Elle a 60 ans. Elle est vieille. Vieux, vieille. Where did I get that from? So look at this. Il a 60. What is 60? 60 is 60. Il a 60 ans. Il est vieux. Il a 60 ans. 60. Il est vieux. He is old. So what's the word for vieux? Old. Vieux. Vieux. Il est vieux. He is old. Look at this. Elle a 60 ans. Elle a 60 ans. Elle a 60 ans. Elle est vieille. Vieille. So this is old for feminine. This is old for masculine. Please note all these important aspects, okay? You can ruminate over them many times as possible. You get them. So, il est vieux, elle est vieille. So how do we know if he's young? So let's get that expression there. So we do this, and let's go for the young generation. Il a 17 ans. 17 is what? This is 10, set is 7, 17, 17. Il a 17 ans. Il est jeune. He's young. Jeune, 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 jeune. OK? Il a 17 ans. He's 17 years old. Il est jeune. He's young. Elle a 16 ans. She is 16 years old. Elle a 16 ans. She is 16 years old. Elle est jeune. Same spelling. She is young. Okay? How do you see that? So, how to answer question, quel âge as-tu or quel âge avez-vous? These are the replies. J'ai for yourself, j'ai. If you're answering for another person, il a, elle a, okay? This is, she is young, he is young, she is young. He is 17 years old, she is 17 years old, 16 years old. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment section or send us an email. The email is on the screen, or you send us a message on WhatsApp. Thank you. Bye-bye. Au revoir.